Quotes to live by. Number 6. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. William Penn. Time is the most precious gift we have been given. It's a finite resource that we cannot buy, borrow, or extend. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, yet some people seem to achieve so much more with their time than others. The truth is, it's not about how much time we have, it's about how we choose to use it. Unfortunately, many of us take time for granted. We waste hours on social media, watching TV, or doing things that don't bring us closer to our goals. We put off important tasks and procrastinate, thinking we'll have more time tomorrow. But the reality is, time is our most valuable asset, and we must learn to use it wisely if we want to succeed. The good news is, time management is a skill that can be learned and developed. It starts with setting clear goals and priorities, and then scheduling our time in a way that aligns with our objectives. We must learn to say no to distractions and focus on the tasks that truly matter. We can use tools like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking to make the most of our time and increase our productivity. But it's not just about being productive. We must also learn to make time for the things that truly matter in life. Spending time with loved ones, pursuing our passions, and taking care of our health and well-being are all essential for a fulfilling life. We must learn to balance our time between work and play, and prioritize the things that bring us joy and meaning. In the end, it's important to remember that time is a non-renewable resource. Once it's gone forever. Don't look back on your life with regret, wishing you had spent your time differently. Take control of your time now and use it wisely. You have the power to create your own destiny, and it all starts with how you choose to use your time. So, make every moment count and make the most of the precious gift of time that you have been given. Thank you.